Good morning. So this is my day as it was Sunday. This is 48 hours. Yesterday we took my brother to where he was going to stay, and today I'm currently in this room. Very scattered anyway. I'm currently in Birdsong. So just woke up like an hour ago, had my morning devotion, had a call with my family, we prayed. I'm trying to do some exercise. I was thinking I'll go out, but it's so cold. So I think I'll go out much later in the day. But for now, I just want to do some stretches and everything. Then arrange this place a bit. Then next we have my bath. I need to cook later today. So. So I'm trying this Tesco, very big Tesco water. But I saw it, but I thought maybe it was special water, but they said it is ordinary water. I've been taking this smaller Nestle water, but I want to try this. So I need to take a lot of water. So this morning I plan to I have a meeting this morning, and then I'm also working on some applications. I've done some of that this morning. So today is majorly going to be me applying, doing some work on my applications, still doing my normal 9 to 5, and then also having fun. Like this morning I have had my quiet time. I had quiet time with my family too. I have exercised this morning. I've had my bath. I'm all dressed up, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm just wearing a very long dress and then a long socks because it's quite cold, and they say this is summer. I'm trying to relate. Anyway, because it's still cold. This clothes is quite light, especially when I want to go out. So I plan to go out like in the afternoon or evening. My brother said he was going to come, so hence I'm even making the food. So I plan to make jollof pasta, probably jollof rice, those two today. Maybe I'll make beans tomorrow. Those are usually the food other than fries and stuff. My hosts have been amazing. I have about few days here, although I'm looking at probably extending it. I don't know if it's possible for me to probably just do 2 weeks in London, and I go to Wales for another 2 weeks possibly. But as it is, it's 1 week in London, 1 week in Wales. But this room I'm staying is currently available for about 3 weeks. So that's why I'm looking at see if maybe I should just do it 2 weeks here, and then I know that I'm outside of London, and then I go to Wales with my friend. But let's say it goes, fingers crossed. So I have a meeting from 9 to 10, and I work on some applications and stuff for another 1 hour before I take a 30 minutes break. So that break I plan to blend the pepper, cook the jollof pasta, and put jollof pasta, fry plantain, fry the meat, and then yeah, I have bread and egg as well. It's quite normal food, but I'm also trying to reach my weight. I think I'm not going to bust. So I'm still going to continue my intermittent fasting. So I just try to make this food till evening. I'll pick my fast in the evening to eat. So work. Let's go. has a funny taste, but it's fine. I need pasta. Let's take a walk. Stand for some. I'm just quickly do that. So today is Tuesday. I am off to Camberwell. If you want to see my brother, and then I'll be back. Very important. This is my bus pass. And my awesome neighbor gave me the bus pass. So this bus pass, I want to take water. Water. I need to take water. Let's take water. I won't say I missed, but I think I did a bit of video. I think I dropped off before the message came across. So now I am just walking. Almost missed my way, but I am good. I'll be trying to take this walk every day. Yeah. Enjoy. Hi guys, doing? So today is Wednesday. Hi guys, I am here at Camberwell Green. I am currently waiting my brother to come. It's quite tired. For an hour. What should I go? It's been a long day. I'm on my way back. It's cold. At least luckily I didn't miss my bus today, so it was good. It was good.